Vlogmas day 1. Right now I'm going to the mall because I have to go buy some Christmas presents, and then I'm also going to a baby shower, so I'm just waiting for a friend because I'm at her apartments and her apartments are gated, so I'm just waiting for her to like come get me. So this should be fun. Nothing too eventful. After the baby shower I'm gonna go home and just get ready for work. Other than that, yeah. Also, she doesn't know I have a YouTube channel, so this is gonna be kind of awkward. I'm not really like gonna vlog with her. I don't know if she's like comfortable with it or not. If I left my car on, I could have listened to Christmas music. That would have been great for this vlog to get it in the Christmassy mood. But I woke up, I felt great. I was like, wow, December 1st, this is my month. This is the month I thrive most off of. So I am excited. I am ready. I am here for it. Good morning, Vlogmas day 2. So December 2nd, I just woke up, as you can see. I have my retainers in. That's probably why I have a lisp. My family just went to OKC for my brother's soccer game. I don't know what to do. Look, I'm breaking out and I'm just messing with it. I'm breaking out a lot, actually, really badly. Let's get this morning started. Okay, I look really rough. I just literally woke up. So I'm currently on a weight loss diet. So I'm following this like certain diet. I'm not doing a K-pop diet because that could possibly kill me. So I'm doing this different one. I'm gonna start off my morning with a yogurt. This is a original Greek 80-calorie yogurt. I feel like it's not even a weight loss thing anymore. I feel like the only reason why I'm trying to eat so healthy and like eat better is because my skin has been breaking out like so much, and it's probably because I've been eating so badly recently. I'm trying to clear it like that up. I ordered more pictures from Shutterfly, so I'm gonna change that out for Christmas pictures. I don't know when I'm gonna start buying things to start Christmas decorating. I said the first week of December. I've been like Christmas present shopping, so my first week is all for like Christmas presents. So next week I might start doing that. And it might also be because the Patrick Star collection comes out today. Actually, at my mall, apparently they're gonna have like today, the 2nd of December, they're gonna have everything like just go out, and then in 2 weeks, anything that people didn't buy or what's left, that's what they're gonna like launch, which I think that's stupid. I feel like they should have just like on the 3rd launched everything and like, yeah, good to go. But if not, I'll just buy stuff off the website because it launches on the 3rd of December, hopefully. Life update. I had egg whites with spinach. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for my work's Christmas party that we're doing at Incredible Pizza. I'm not sure if you guys know what that is, but Incredible Pizza is kind of like a Chuck E. Cheese. It's just one of those places where you just go and play games with like cards and tokens and stuff like that. So I just got done getting ready. I just did like my everyday makeup routine, which if you want the video, it will be linked down below. I have a full video on how I get this face. Look how intense my highlighter is. I'm using Champagne Pop. I've not used that highlighter forever, but I love it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go eat a snack. I'm probably gonna go eat an apple or cucumber with lime. Ooh. No, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And so yeah, my outfits could be very basic, super cute, super casual, super comfy. Look, I can see my heart in the back. Can't wait till I get my Christmas pictures. I've not gotten a confirmation email yet. Shutterfly, what are you doing? I think I'm gonna go get my snack. BRB. So I'm about to leave. I just had like an outfit change, so now I'm wearing a red shirt and then white shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play music and just go. Fun. All I can afford is this one Tootsie Roll. Good morning. So it is December 3rd and I'm on my way to school. I'm not gonna vlog at school because I am still not comfortable, especially with school. And on a Monday, that's like their busiest days, Mondays and Wednesdays. Fridays, it's a lot like emptier. Let's go to school. Alright, another update. I'm still in the car, but I just ordered the Patrick Star powder and the Sleigh Ride lipstick, which are two things that I really wanted. So I'm excited. That means I can start using my powder. And so I'm just gonna wait to 2 weeks at my Mac to see what I can buy. Probably a lip gloss, and if they have any of the lipsticks left, I'm excited. Okay, I should probably get into class now. So I just got home. My room is a mess. I went to the mall and then I met up with my mom there. And then we ate at the mall, which honestly, my diet just went down the trash. So I guess tomorrow is a new day. I had Chinese food, so we're gonna start again tomorrow. And then we ended up going to Costco to go find my dad's Christmas present. He wants AirPods and we couldn't find any, so we're gonna go next week. I'm about to go get a haircut. It's just not gonna be this length anymore. I'm a big fan of short hair. We'll see what I end up doing. I am not a good vlogger, but I cut my hair. I don't know how I feel about it. I've always wanted like really short hair. It's a lot shorter than how I normally like cut it short. Normally like to short, it's like right here. So it's a little bit shorter than like normal. Happy December 4th. So I woke up really quickly and I had to get dressed because my brother missed his bus, so I had to take him. Also, my hair looks disgusting. Ta-da! Our Christmas tree. Oh, she wants to go pee. Ah, man. But look, there's our wreath. Yeah, the colorful lights make it look tacky. But look, it's so cute. I've worn this shirt like 3 days in a row. Relatable. I just got back from the mall. I ended up buying my brother's Christmas present, and you will see all the presents I bought and me wrapping them in a video that I will be posting like later on. It's gonna be like on my 3rd week of vlogmas. It's gonna be just me wrapping my Christmas presents because I want some quality content and I like watching videos like that. Rub the belly. Why are you making that face? So I was about to go eat, but then I started editing. So I'm currently editing my no makeup video, which this would already have been up before this vlogmas. Let me show you really quickly how I kind of edit like my text on things. So these I have to make separately. I sometimes do them on PicMonkey, but because I don't have like the membership at the moment, I just go ahead and do it on Fonto. So I make these like green screen text, and then I go into the part of my video where I need to insert it. So for example, I just line it up with when the dip brow pops up, and then I just hit fit and green screen, blue screen, and voila. So it does take me quite a while to edit my videos, but I feel like it'll be a lot easier once I get Final Cut Pro. If I get Final Cut Pro, just because you can add more like, is it layers? You can just add so many things on top of like one video clip, and with iMovie you have to like keep exporting and then adding and then exporting and then adding, which is what I have to do, which is kind of annoying because it does take up like a lot of space, but you know, it's whatever. I decided to make my videos like this, and you know, I have fun. I like editing and I like doing these type of things. Ooh, come through, sugar tripod. Oh, it's salt. I guess I'll talk to you guys about my vlogmas plan. So my game plan might be just like film Monday through Saturday, and then on Sunday just have Sunday to edit. I feel like I should have this with toast. I can put it on top of toast. Oh my god, hold up. Hey, I didn't burn my toast. Why did you stick to the pan? This is supposed to be a non-stick pan. There you go. Cooking adventures with Chef Boyardin. We like to burn things here. See, it's burnt, but I promise you, the more burnt, the better. Slide it onto the toast. I'm the type of, ooh, that's a lot, yikes. I know there are those judgers out there. I know you might be one of them, but I grew up eating eggs with ketchup. I love it. That's literally my thing. I'm thirsty. Good morning. It is December 6th. I didn't really do much yesterday, which was December 5th. I think the highlight of my day was just getting Korean food, which I went and showed you guys. We only got tteokbokki and gimbap. I'm about to go get like breakfast again. I'm gonna go get Panera. Alright, so I just did my no makeup. I just did no fake freckles. I have that video up if you want to watch it. And I'm also gonna go back to the mall. I'm telling you, this whole week has just been me at the mall. I've gone like 3 out of the 5 days so far. I still have to buy 3 more presents, and I think I'll be officially done. Oh no, I have that Secret Santa. But I forgot what was I saying. So I literally just picked my outfit. I had like 3 different outfit changes, and this is what I ended up going with. So I'm about to show you exactly what I'm wearing. Here's the outfit. Pretty basic, but I'm just wearing a oversized Tommy Jean sweater that I stole from my dad's closet. This is like 100 years. My dad is not 100 years old. Like, this is pretty old. He's had this for years. And I stole it, I think 10th grade or 11th grade. I never gave it back. It became mine. And these blue Aeropostale jeans. And of course, my checkered Vans. Why am I... My checkered pants. We don't pay no mama. Achoo! So this is my game plan. So I'm gonna go eat at Panera with my friend, and I'm gonna go to the mall and return my mom's Christmas present. This is the 3rd present of hers that I'm about to return, and I'm gonna buy the 4th one. Hopefully this is the one she wants. I never win with this woman. So I'm gonna buy 2 presents, and then next week hopefully I can buy my 2 last presents. I need a Secret Santa present and my friend Marisha's present. Marisha, if you're watching this, please don't watch next week's vlog, or at least skip through it. I'll put it on the screen for you. You'll be fine if you're watching this. Happy December 7th, and also the last day of Vlogmas week 1. I am a little egg right now. My lips are super chapped. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm wearing the same sweater from yesterday, and my MAC package came in the mail. The Patrick Star powder. And then I got the Sleigh Ride lipstick, and I got a little strobe cream. How fun. Pink light. She is beautiful. I just want to thank Patrick Star for creating the best powder in the world. Ta-da! MAC Patrick Star powder. So this pretty much ends Vlogmas week 1. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It was kind of boring. My vlogging skills are not that good. But of course, next week is Vlogmas week 2. So this basically has to go up either tonight or tomorrow. Alright, well hopefully you guys enjoyed watching my Vlogmas week 1. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week.